Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Binance account. So it's pretty simple to delete your Binance account, and before I show you guys the way, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance and get up to $10 bonus, you can use our referral link which is in the description. If you use that link to sign up into Binance, you guys can get up to $10 bonus. So for $10 free bonus, you can use that link. And let's get on with today's video. Now, to delete your Binance account, you need to go to Binance website because in Binance app, you can't do it. So once you come into Binance website, you want to, log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to click on this picture over here, your account's profile picture looking thing. And then you want to click on where it says security. You want to click on it. After you click on security, you want to scroll down at the bottom and click on where it says suspicious account activity. Disable account. You want to click on where it says disable account. Now there's two options over here, disable this account and delete this account. So you want to click on delete this account. Now over here you enter your email address or your mobile number, whichever thing you used when you created your account. After entering my email address, I need to click on confirm to delete, and then it's going to send a verification code to my email. I need to type the code over here, then it'll verify if it is me, and then it'll delete my account. And yeah, before deleting the account, try to read all of this, okay, and understand what will happen once you delete your account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete your Binance account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get $10 free bonus. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.